Hello everyone. Welcome children to the EVS class. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of chapter number 1, our food, from unit 3, our needs. Unit 3, our needs. Chapter number 1, our food. So children, let us see the remaining part of the lesson, our food. Fourth, salads. Children, do you know what means salads? Yes, carrots, tomatoes, cucumber, radish, beetroot and onions are chopped finely to make salads, which can be eaten raw. Means all these vegetables, they have to be cut finely and then you can eat them raw. Raw means you have to eat them without cooking. Fifth, oil or ghee. Children, you know that oil or ghee is very important thing which is used in cooking. Oil is made from mustard, sesame, means till, groundnuts, sunflower and coconut. You can ask question to your mother that which oil she is using for cooking at home, whether she is using the til oil or groundnut oil or sunflower oil, or whether she is using the coconut oil. Many of the times you eat sugar and ghee with the chapati. Do you know from what it is made? Yes, ghee is made from milk or vegetable products. Fourth, fruits. You all like fruits like bananas, guavas, apples, mangoes, chickus, papayas, oranges, grapes, sweet limes, pomegranates, figs, watermelons. They are the fruits that are loved by the young and the old. All of us like fruits. Maybe the small children or the old people. 7. Milk. Milk is the most nourishing food. Means if we drink milk, we get lots of proteins and energy from milk. Children, from where do we get this milk? Yes, we get the milk from cows, buffaloes, she-goats, etc. Children and the sick people should have enough milk every day. Means small children or the people who are not feeling well, they are ill, they should be given enough milk every day. Which other products do we get from milk? Yes, we get cream, butter, curds, paneer and cheese from milk. These are the things which can be obtained from milk. We get all these things from milk. Okay children, now it's time for revision. Let us revise the new words in the lesson. SALADS, salads. RAW, raw. Raw means the food which can be eaten without cooking. YOUNG, young. SICK, sick. Sick means people who are not feeling well or they are ill. FINELY, finely means in small pieces. CHOPPED, chopped means to cut. GHEE, ghee. NOURISHING, nourishing. Nourishing means it. Here, if we consider nourishing food, means the food which provides lots of proteins, vitamins, and energy to our body. ENOUGH, enough. Enough means proper or adequate quantity, means how much the person needs. MUSTARD, mustard. These are the small seeds and from which we can make oil. Okay children, now it's time for homework. Your today's homework is write the given words 2 times in your 4-line notebook and read them. Also read the lesson. That is page number 25.